Okay, พี่น้อง I gonna make chicken soup today, and the chicken soup today in my family used to make like this, especially my grandma. The first thing, I have the chicken. You can use any kind of chicken you want. Okay, this one I bought from Asian market. I cut piece like this, and I have a wing, I have a breast, I have a thigh, everything I put in here because, and I have some skin because the skin is more flavor. Okay, and I'm gonna add to the pot soup, add some lemongrass, lime leaf, and galanga. This all thing you can get in Asian market. Okay, and after that I add some tamarind, add to the soup. This one is a jasmine rice, 1 bowl. This is how my a little bit some MSG and 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, this one chicken flavor I add 1 piece. That's all I use. Then after that I'm not gonna mix yet. I have to cover until the soup is boiling and you can stir them. Okay, see, can't see, it's not ready yet. A little bit, about 10 or 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, boil this because the chicken is a little bit hard. I'm gonna make wait a little bit. my grandma always use the tamarind leaf, you know, it's really more flavor too. Alright guys, come back with me a little bit. I'm gonna check the stove. Then I think it's done right now because about 25 minutes. Let me taste. Really good. Tamarind is make more flavor, you know. Why I add some jasmine rice, and you know my grandma always do it like this one when we live in Laos, you know, and she always add sometimes sticky rice and sometimes jasmine rice, you know. She add little tiny, and she say make flavors. That's what she say. Alright guys, and after that I'm gonna add some tomato and green onion. Like this. Then you don't have to do anything. Just add this and turn off the heat. It's really good and really yummy, really easy soup, you know. Please try some at home and let me know how it turned out for you. It's really easy and quickly. Okay, have a good night guys. Bye bye.